Have you ever wondered why some textbooks talk about physical anthropology while others prefer biological anthropology? Are they describing two different sciences, or just two names for the same fascinating field? The truth is more nuanced than most people think. Imagine walking into a university lecture hall in the early 20th century. The professor speaks passionately about skull measurements, fossils, and human evolution. This was the era of physical anthropology, a discipline rooted in studying human anatomy, variation, and evolutionary origins through bones and biological traits. It was the science of the body, the physical evidence of what it means to be human. Fast forward to today, and the term biological anthropology takes the stage. The focus has expanded far beyond bones. Now, anthropologists study genetics, primate behavior, and even the impacts of climate and disease on human populations. The field has evolved, just like humanity itself. Biological anthropology looks at humans as part of the broader web of life, connecting biology, culture, and environment in one continuous story. But why the change in name? It wasn't just a rebranding, it was a reflection of growth. Physical anthropology once emphasized structure, biological anthropology emphasizes life. It embraces modern biology, molecular research, and ethical awareness. It acknowledges that understanding humans isn't only about what we look like, but how we live, adapt, and interact with the world around us. Some scholars still use both terms interchangeably, and technically, they overlap. The difference lies more in perspective than content. Physical anthropology is the historical root, biological anthropology is its living, evolving branch. Together, they trace the human journey, from our primate cousins to our globalized species, through a blend of bones, genes, and behavior. If you're diving into anthropology as a student or curious mind, remember this: both branches aim to answer the same timeless question: what makes us human? The answer is written not only in our DNA or our fossils but in the way we connect biological facts with social realities. That's what keeps anthropology endlessly fascinating and profoundly relevant today. So, which term do you prefer, and why? Do you see yourself exploring the physical side of human evolution or the biological network that links us to every living thing?